Established in 1964, Can-Eng Furnaces International Limited is a leading global designer and manufacturer of industrial furnace equipment. Can-Eng's rugged heat treating systems serve commercial and captive heat treaters, fastener manufacturers, stamping manufacturers, automotive component manufacturers, the iron and steel industries, foundries, and agricultural, construction, and appliance manufacturers. Can-Eng is recognized internationally for design innovation, quality workmanship, and dedication to service. Whether manufacturing a simple manually controlled furnace or a turnkey automated system, Can-Eng heat treating equipment offers unequaled reliability, resulting in less downtime and higher productivity. Challenge us to give you the competitive edge. The marketplace has put increasing demands on manufacturers to reduce costs and increase product quality. Can-Eng furnaces basketless heat treating systems for aluminum automotive components and modular heat treating systems for structural aluminum automotive components are engineered to meet these ever-increasing production challenges. Our engineers design systems that enable automotive manufacturers to set new standards in engine and vehicle design. Can-Eng builds engineering solutions to last. Whatever your application, bars, tubes, plate or castings, our fully integrated heat treating systems are designed for high volume and continuous production. Can-Eng's steel plant furnace systems deliver maximum uptime and reliable performance to ensure a consistent product. Our success comes from our belief that there is no substitute for hard work and experience. Can-Eng is the world's leader for the supply of continuous mesh belt atmosphere furnace systems. Can-Eng's equipment leads the industry in uptime reliability, energy efficiency, and soft handling features to deliver superior part properties and cosmetics. Standard production capacities are available from 250 pounds an hour up to the largest systems in operation at over 7,500 pounds an hour. Can-Eng continuous mesh belt atmosphere furnace systems are usually supplied as totally automated turnkey heat treating lines. Atmosphere generators and full SCADA capabilities are also available to complete the system automation. Can-Eng specializes in providing standard and custom design replacement parts for both Can-Eng designed equipment and other thermal processing equipment. Our aftermarket support team provides customers with shorter lead times and delivery on critical parts. It should come as no surprise that Can-Eng has a vibrant research and development department, developing new technology and new processes for the future. We rebuild and retrofit systems to bring outdated equipment up to current standards, bringing new efficiencies to older equipment. With state-of-the-art technology and custom engineering solving the most challenging thermal processing issues, challenge us to give you the competitive edge.